Ka-Istorya Tour! Welcome back to my channel. Andito po tayo ngayon sa General Santos City, the tuna capital of the Philippines. And of course, pag sinabing Gensan, hindi natin maiiwasang isipin siyempre sino pa, si Manny Pacman Pacquiao. Dahil ang Gensan is kadikit nun ang sports na boxing. It is a very common knowledge na pag nasa Gensan ka, boxing here is a normal sight na makikita mo talaga namang nilalaro dito every now and then. At yan ang ating patutunayan ngayon dito sa ating episode na ito. At bago tayo magpatuloy, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kaloy's Istorya Tour, para naman mas madami pang videos ang ating magawa. Salamat po! Mga kaistorya, today is a very normal day here in Gensan. So, for today's episode, let's experience tuna. Pero bago yon, we as well know the fact that common knowledge na boxing sports here is an all year round event. Kaya susubukan ko mamasyal at baka ako ay may makitang nagboxing. Let's see. And so, we are approaching KCC Shopping Mall. At dito, ito ang sinasabi nilang pinakabarato or the cheapest prices they offer pagdating sa presyo ng mga goods or consumables. This mall is actually one of the biggest mall here in Gensan. And no worries because we have a separate episode for that. And to continue, guys, ayon sa aking research, Gensan is also the nickname of General Santos City. It is best known for two things. One being the tuna capital of the Philippines, and of course, also tagged as the home of the champions. This actually owes the fact that boxing superstars like Manny Pacquiao, Nonito Donaire, and Rolando Navarrete hold the city as home. Perfect! Hindi tayo nabigo! At dahil nga, boxing superstars called the city their home, Gensan City, which has produced numerous Filipino boxers including our idol, Manny Pacquiao. There's this film entitled Jensen Punch, inspired from the biography of Naozumi Chokeyama, isang Japanese boxer with a prosthetic leg who went to the Philippines and became known as Jensen. Today's film was directed by Brillante Mendoza and made by Center Stage Production of the Philippines and won an award, the Kim Ji-wook Award at the 26th Busan International Film Festival. Nakakatuwa mga tricycle, di ba? Mini jeep. Talagang maraming pasahero. Sulit.
Mga kalumpang!
At mapapansin nyo minsan, ang mga driver nakadungaw. Only in Jensen. Tatak Jensen. According to my research, General Santos City is formerly known as the Jangas, named after General Paulino Santos, a commanding general of the Philippine Army and the settlement's leading pioneer. The city is a first-class, highly urbanized city in the region of Sorsogon, Philippines. Located in the island of Mindanao, it is the southernmost and the largest city in the province of South Cotabato, and the 15th most populous city in the Philippines, the largest city of South Cotabato, and the regional center for commerce and industry of Sorsogon.